Hi, I'm Damla. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to tell you about my recycling project with using short and few yarns. Even the brand of the yarns isn't the same, the type should be similar. For example, we can use Alize cotton gold yarn art jeans together because they are very similar. They contain 160 cotton, 140 acrylic. So they are similar. They look like each other. So we need hook 3mm and also scissors. I want to show you technique about knot. Tight knot stitch is very important for making these big balls, very big balls. I will show you just a moment here. Look here, it's very tight. Now, how I make it? Let's start. I take one of them and the other color I put on the other color. Then I knot this one firstly, and then I put here on this color and knot again. Pull and cut the yarns here. Cut the other color. Let's test. It's very tightly. Now we can start making granny squares. You can make any granny squares, but I want to show you easy motif. Let's start. If you want, you can start with chains, but I always prefer starting magic ring. I wrap only one time, but if you are beginner, I prefer you twice. But I want one time only. Then I insert my hook, stitch, and you can start with 3 chains, but I always prefer in here with fake double crochet. How I make it? I increase my loop and turn, and again insert my hook, yarn over, through first 2 of them and second. This is my first double crochet. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. It will be 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains. Pull my tail Again 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. Last group. I'm starting last group. Always chain 2, 1 2 3 double crochet, and I pull my tail tightly, and then only 1 chain now, then yarn over, insert my hook, first double crochet, pull through, now again I need fake double crochet, increase my loop, turn my loop, and insert my hook here, space, first 2 of them, now the other 2. This one is my first double crochet. I need 2 double crochet, half of this corner. Pardon. I need only 2 double crochet in here. 2 double crochet. Then insert my hook, all of the top of the all double crochets, the other corner 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and the other double crochets, top of the double crochets, and look here, our color changed, but it's very beautiful, look, and very clear. Knot stitch here, we made knot stitch. It's very comfortable. Now we are in the other corner. In the same space, we make firstly 2 double crochets and 2 chains. Again, same space, 2 double crochets. And repeat same all of the round. Two chains, the other double crochets. We come end of this row. We finish second row. Now same technique, we're gonna use same technique. 1 chain, yarn over, and insert the first double crochet, combination all of them. Increase our loop. I want to say again, if you want, you can use 3 chains in here for first double crochet, but I use this one always. Now we start 3rd row. 2 double crochets of them. We are gonna make the other double crochets on top of these double crochets. Now in this row we repeat same techniques. I came end of the row and I want to finish in here, but you can crochet which size do you want. In the last row, middle of the corner, I made 3 chains and insert my hook, the first double crochet, and slip stitch with, I use slip stitch in here, and finish my granny square. In Turkish we say motif. I finished. Now I want to give you sizes. It is 7 centimeters. I hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow for you. If you like it, you can let me a heart. And thank you for watching, and see you again in the other videos.